Yo Garage, back on the bench here, guys. Thanks for joining me. Got a Cobra 29 here. This one's Hank's. It's a Night Watch LTD Classic. Paired up with the KL203. And basically with this one here, this video, I'm just going over the radio for him. And he was a little bit nervous to get this back and run it the right way. He's a new operator, new to amps, new. He still considers himself new to the CB world, but he's had radios for a little while, seems like. But it's just something new for him, something different. Obviously, the way this Cobra is set up, he threw the kitchen sink at this thing. He's not used to having something with variable power, and I'm just gonna go over it for him. So if you guys want to stick around and check this thing out, see how it came out, feel free. And yeah, appreciate you checking the video out. So let's get into it. Got your front control panels your front panel controls repurposed. I was able to not have to punch a hole in the side or the back like I was saying. I thought I was going to need an extra hole for your controls because we have a couple extra here. So what I did was RF gain got taken out, and that's echo now. Dual control echo board, Palomar TRVX4. Now over here, what I did was, this is normally just a single dynamite control, mic gain. I switched it out for a dual control, and now you get dynamic on the inside here, your inner knob, okay, right here. And on your outer pinch knob is now your variable power. So you have a variable power control with your dynamic. Okay, and then as you guys can see, obviously there's a digital S meter got put in here. That's controlled here with the momentary switch. Flip it up and it changes all your functions. This is a function switch, and if you hold it for a little bit longer than normal, it changes your brightness. Now you're all the way dim here. So I think there's like 7 brightness setting. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I don't know, 6, 7, something like that, but that's good right there. I'm gonna leave it there. Next thing I wanted to go over, we got Talkback over here on this switch. So that would be let's see, I believe I have it 1 up. We'll go over it. I did this and I forget already what I did here, but we'll go over the Talkback. It's got a MOSFET, and yeah, that's it. So got you all set up. I'll show you how I have the variable power set. Basically, I'll tell you right now, it's all the way down to run the amp. Amp off, turn your power up wherever you want. So let's just see all the way down and all the way up what it's doing. So all the way up would be this outer knob. I'll show you what it's doing. So this is just checking a carrier. Okay. It is doing, I'll turn my mic gain down. It's doing a good solid 8 watts, I'd say. About 8, 8.5, 7.5 on the LP. All the way down, 2 watts. Right about 2 watts. And I'll just show you, I'll vary the power again as I'm keyed up. Alright, so here's where you're going to be running your amp. All the way down. You turn the dynamic up, show you some average power. Getting about 7 out of her. Show you peak. Hello, radio check break. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. About 35 on the bird, 40 on the LP. So she's a good little talker. Okay. And turn the amp on and make this real simple. This is down all the way. Turn that on. You're on AM. And come back up here. I'll show you what it's doing for a key now. She is doing, I have to get the peak off. She's doing between 20 and 25. Hello. Okay, she'll put the 50 in the corner on average. So let me get that out of there. I'm going to show you, let's see, where's my 250 watt slug? 250 for the bird. I'm going to put it in peak now. Okay. And let's let her rip. Audio check break. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, the meters are agreeing on this one. How about it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right about that 170 mark on peak. And what was average doing? Not that it really matters much. I'm more concerned with peak. Yeah, about 60, 65. Alright. And yeah, I mean, it's that simple. You just keep that power down. And then you want to run barefoot, you can turn your power up. Alright, I'll show you what's drawn for amperage real quick here, so you know you got your setup okay. Make sure you got a good enough power supply. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check. A little over 8. Alright, so now we're going to hear it over the air. Alright. Two. Audio check. Break. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Obviously that's with the echo on. Let me turn that echo down a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. Break. Here's with the amp off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. Break. And then obviously you could set your echo where you want to set it. You know, I just have it set for the video, just real quick, and so I'm going to turn this back off, and I'll just show you Talkback, how I have that set up. It's coming out of this speaker here, and it is it the 9 or 19? Let's see. 1, 2, must be the 19 switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. Break. And if you get a little bit of feedback or something like that, you could always adjust your Talkback volume a little bit with the Dynamic. 1, 2. Alright, but I don't think you'll have a problem, especially because I have it set up to run the mic you said you're going to be running, 636. And I'm trying to think if there's anything else, but I think that's pretty much it. Showed you how to do the amp. That's mainly what you were concerned with. We got our power output, and yeah, so this thing's ready to go for you, man. Appreciate you sending it in. Got it all squared away for you. I'm gonna get it boxed back up for you and head it your way. But yep, you got your jumper. All right, I'm gonna send that back, send the amp back, and you'll be ready to go. So any other questions or anything, let me know. But yeah, guys, this is first time I did a digital estimator in a Cobra 29, so that's came out good. It's actually not too bad in these. But oh, I want to show you guys. Some people think these digital estimators are like plug and play or something. I'll show you how they come. It's actually a kit, and where do I have it? Bear with me here for a second, guys. Oh, here it is. So this is how the digital estimators come, and I have to build them out of spare meter housings. You don't get the meter housing even with the kit. So it comes like this. This would be the display, and then here's the Arduino. Okay, it's a mini. What are these? Mini Pros, I think. Arduino Mini Pros. All right. And then this is the wires they provide, some resistors. Should be a cap in here too. Did they forget a cap in my kit? Well, he might have forgot to put the cap in my kit. But I have caps here. It's not a big deal. But yeah, so anyways, you follow a schematic. If you could read a schematic, you build it. Okay, and then it goes into basically what you do is you take one of these. You know, if you have a meter, I like to try to use old ones because you don't need the guts. You totally take all the guts out and everything, and take the lens off, the insert, and yeah, you build it all yourself. And then once you do a couple, it gets a lot easier, and you just do, you know, the same thing over and over. But yep, that's how those things work. Okay, I forgot something, and what it was is I wanted to show you that the SWR still functions like normal. All right, so the only thing is that you have to remember what. And try to get this camera to stay here for a second. Hold on. Okay. The only thing you have to remember with setting SWR is I would put my dynamic all the way down, and then the next thing I would do is I would put my power up a little bit. Okay, because if your power is too low, it won't give you a strong enough signal to read. So turn your power up a little bit, take it to Cal, and then you just do like you normally would. I'm gonna turn this down, and then see, as I'm turning this, that's going up. Okay, and right about there, it's on Cal, and then you could switch it to SWR, and it drops down. I'm on a dummy load right now. Actually come back a little bit right about there, and just a hair above one it's reading, so that's accurate. But yeah, that's how that works. And now I believe that covers everything. So we did want to show you that the SWR meter still works like it should. I got some obviously updates on the website. Whatever new radios are available to order, I update the website, and then I want to try to get some used radios up on there, and I'll be doing videos of them. I got a couple of used radios I got to get going here, but appreciate everybody tuning in, and hey, hope you enjoy it. Thanks for your patience, and see you guys in the next one. Radio Garage, we're off the key.